Hey, what's up, guys? So, Misty's at work for another 4 hours. She gets home at like 2 in the morning. Well, I decided I'm going to try and piss her off a little. She's always so stressed when she comes home from work. So, what I'm going to do is put Vaseline on the door handle for her to get inside. It's dark out there. We don't leave our porch light on, so there's no way she's going to see it. And she's probably going to come in here super pissed and probably blaming it on someone random. So this should be funny.
Did you prank me?
Did I prank you?
Yeah.
No. There's what?
I think it's Vaseline all over your handle.
We don't even have any Vaseline.
Vaseline!
I don't even think we have Vaseline.
Yeah, we do. So now I have nowhere to wipe this off at, and I'm have a backpack on my back.
I haven't been outside or they'd have got me with it.